Morning, everyone. Good morning, my diamond crew. Good morning, new subscribers. Welcome. And if you are a current subscriber, welcome back. Now, the first job that I have this Saturday morning will be a call center representative, remote area available. Conversion. It's a company called Conversion Kings. It's based out in Phoenix, Arizona. It's remote, $14.70 to $30 per hour, full time. It's paid weekly for this job, and the benefits are paid time off, paid training, referral program. Outbound pre-screening agents. If you are looking for a career opportunity where you can increase your base income monthly, based on your abilities and dedication, we have the position for you. What do we do? Conversion Kings is a lead generation company that is contracted through multiple banks and lenders nationwide to offer a pre-screening service for multiple financial programs, including different types of refinancing, credit repair, and debit consolidation. Reps are responsible for providing excellent customer service, reaching out to home owners and accurately gathering and inputting information to determine whether the respective prospect qualifies and would benefit from any of the institution's programs our clients are currently offering. Remote positions available. If you have a proven track record of successfully working remotely, we will offer you a remote position after a short in-office training period. We will provide the equipment, we will provide the training, we will provide the ongoing team leads support staff. You will need to provide the internet and a distraction-free work environment. Job description. Make outbound calls via a automated dialing system, ability to build rapport with people and accurately obtain scripted information required. Make live transfers for qualified individuals as determined by our system. Hard sales is not a necessity. They qualify or they don't. Compensation weekly, hourly pay, plus compensation no closer or no cap, plus bonus programs, referral programs. Apply today and start right away. Use our online application for faster review time. Application link is right here. So I will be placing that down below in the description box, so you guys can get into the website quicker so you can put in your application and get noticed quicker. Let's see. It's a scheduled 8-hour shift, day shift, Monday to Friday, overtime, weekend availability. Supplemental pay is a bonus pay. Commissions pay. Ability to commute, relocate, Phoenix, Arizona, 85003. Reliably commute, are planning to relocate before starting work required. Application question. When would you be able to start one of our paid training classes? Experience. These are all preferred experiences. Call center for 1 year. Sales 1 year. Customer service 1 year. Outbound call center 1 year. And the hiring is ongoing. It's posted 6 days ago. Excuse me, I'm about to sneeze again. Ooh. Okay. So if it sounds like something that you would like to do, a position that you would like to do working with Conversion Kings, the name of the company, and it's based out in Phoenix, Arizona, and the job position, the job role is call center representative. Remote is available, but you will have to go into the office for a short period of time for provide training, and it will provide equipment. So the next job that we have lined up for you guys are VForce customer service position. It's a remote position, and the company is called VForce, and it's $15. It pays $15 an hour, full time, part time, or contract. And response level for this job is 75%, or more applications in the past 30 days, typically within 14 days. You can apply. Experience that you will need for this job is sales, customer service, typing, Windows. And the educational and certificates is a high school diploma or equivalent. And the benefits for this job is working from home. And with VForce customer service opportunity, we commute. Why commute when you can work from home? We are seeking an independent contractor to provide customer service to our members by taking inbound membership calls from home. Must be able to shift Monday through Saturday afternoons and evenings, 12 p.m. through 9 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. As an independent contractor, meaning it's a 1099, you guys, you are your own self-employed boss, and you have the ability to pick the schedule or the shifts that best work for you. We provide flexibility and balance to achieve your personal and professional goals. Opportunity requirements: must enjoy being on the phone, must have excellent communication skills, must have a high school degree, minimum 1 year of customer service or sales experience preferred. You must be comfortable receiving inbound customer service calls, must enjoy the freedom and flexibility of being your own boss, must be able to document details of all calls and member interactions using multiple systems and programs, must have computer skills including navigating multiple tabs, windows, and systems. Basic typing skills is a must. Strong customer service and written skills. Comfortable empathizing and remaining patient with callers. Computer skills including navigating multiple tabs, windows, and systems. As a business provider of call center services, you are required to submit invoices to receive payment for completed services. Onboarding and hours of operation. We're able to accept the shifts Monday through Saturday between 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We provide best class onboarding. It is performed online using Zoom. It is mandatory to complete onboarding and become certified as a VForce agent. You must submit a W-9 form before boarding. May require drug tests prior to onboarding. Opportunity rate is $15 an hour. Once again, minimum of 25 hours per week and required a maximum of 40 hours per week is available. Schedule shifts and manage time using our web-based software. Home office and technology requirements. You must provide your own computer system and it must be in optimal working condition. You must provide your own Ethernet cable, corded USB headset, calculator, and mouse prior to onboarding. High-speed DSL cable or Fios internet with a 20 megabytes per second download speed and hardwired to your modem. For your convenience, you may use our pre-qualification test to determine if your internet meets our requirements. You copy and paste this into your search engine on another tab, a brand new tab, and then you'll be able to see if your computer is up to par with this job. Quiet and professional home office, free of noise, distractions, and interruptions during work hours. VForce systems are not currently compatible with Mac or Chromebook. Security of our systems, data, and programs is mandatory. And the schedules for self-determined self-determined schedule and weekend availability, and it's a work location. Work location is remote. So applications response rate is 94%, and they're hiring 2 candidates for this role. It was posted 2 days ago. You guys, if you want to be able to find a job that it can fit your schedule, a 1099 position for being an independent contractor with VForce is a perfect thing if you want to become your own boss and have your own schedule and everything. So if you guys want to go ahead and do it full-time, part-time, or a contract, it's $15 per hour. And VForce is it if that's the type of job for you. And that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys like this. Subscribe, hit that like button. Please hit the like button because it helps with my algorithm to get onto the mainstream with all of the best work from home companies, you guys, so I can get in there, so I can put my foot in the door, get my feet wet a little bit. It helps you, girl. So I hope you guys love this video. I love all you diamonds. Keep on shining, and let's get it. See you on the next video.